other morning something small happened that stayed with me. I woke up and nothing felt predictable. Not my energy, not my mood, not my appetite, not even my motivation. It felt like the day was deciding for me instead of by me. And I thought, when did my routine stop feeling like mine? Because after 50, life shifts in ways nobody prepares us for. Sleep changes, hormones change, stress lands differently, bodies respond differently, even the way we handle mornings and evening changes. And suddenly, the habits that used to work don't work anymore. But here's the hopeful part. You don't need a perfect routine. You don't need a dramatic overhaul. You don't need a color-coded plan. You just need tiny anchors. Small habits that quietly stabilize your day. Anchors that help your nervous system settle. Anchors that help your energy feel steadier. Anchors that help your confidence return slowly and gently. Today, I want to share 11 tiny daily anchors that can help you rebuild your rhythm after 50. Not to transform your life overnight, not to impress anyone, not to overwhelm you, just to help your days feel more predictable, more peaceful, and more yours. Let's begin. Anchor number 1, the reset walk. This is not a walk for fitness, not for steps, not for weight. It is a walk that resets your nervous system. A short walk lowers cortisol. It clears mental fog. It improves circulation. It stabilizes blood sugar. It helps your brain shift gears. This is not achievement. This is regulation. A reset walk is a tiny anchor that tells your body, we're starting fresh. Anchor number 2, water before coffee. This habit is not about hydration alone. It's about preventing the caffeine spike that creates mid-morning crashes. 1 glass of water before coffee stabilizes your energy, mood, digestion, headache, joint comfort. This is a tiny anchor that steadies your morning before stimulation arrives. Anchor number 3, morning light. Not for productivity, not for steps, not for motivation, just light. Morning light regulates melatonin, cortisol, serotonin, and your internal clock. Light is a biological anchor. It tells your body, here is the rhythm of the day. Even 3 minutes outside can shift your entire morning. Anchor number 4, reset without guilt. This habit is not about sleep philosophy. It's about biology. Your nervous system repairs itself only when you rest. Your brain consolidates memories. Your muscles recover. Your hormones rebalance. Your immune system activates. Rest is not indulgence. It is maintenance. And after 50, maintenance becomes essential. Anchor number 5, protein early. This habit is not about muscle alone. It stabilizes cravings, early morning mood swings, afternoon fatigue. Protein early anchors your metabolism. It helps your body feel steady instead of spiking and crashing. A small change with a big ripple. Anchor number 6, kind self-talk. This habit is not about positivity. It is about emotional regulation. Harsh self-talk increases cortisol. Kindness lowers it. Many people after 50 carry decades of internal criticism. But your nervous system responds to your voice. Speak to yourself like someone worth supporting. It is a tiny anchor that changes how you recover. Anchor number 7, leg strength. This is not a fitness goal. It is about independence, standing up easily, climbing stairs, preventing falls, maintaining dignity. Strong legs anchor your confidence in daily movement. A few chair squats while the kettle boils can change your future mobility. Anchor number 8. Reduce negative input. This habit is not about avoiding news. It's about protecting cognitive overload. Your brain cannot process fear all day. Constant outrage, conflict and bad news overload your nervous system. Reducing input anchors your mental clarity. It is not weakness, it is emotional hygiene. Anchor number 9. One connection. This is not about loneliness. It's about regulating oxytocin and reducing stress. One message, one call, one check-in. Connection anchors emotional safety. And you don't need a crowd. You need one meaningful moment. Anchor number 10. One kept promise. This habit is not about achievement. It is about rebuilding trust in yourself. Confidence returned through evidence. One small promise, a walk, a glass of water, a stretch, and an earlier night becomes proof that I can still follow through. Every kept promise anchors your self-belief. Anchor number 11. Daily gratitude. This habit is not about positivity. It's about balancing your brain's natural bias. Gratitude anchors perspective. A warm cup of coffee, a quiet morning, a message from a friend, a body that still carries you. Gratitude doesn't erase difficulty. It simply widens the lens. And here is the part I want you to remember. Don't try all 11 anchors at once. Choose 3. Only 3. Repeat them gently for 1 month. Not to transform your life, not to impress anyone, to stabilize your days. Because when your days feel steadier, your life begins to feel possible again. Write your 3 anchors somewhere visible. Like pin it on the fridge, next to the kettle, in your journal. And every day ask, what is my smallest next step? Small anchors create steady days. Steady days create confidence. Confidence creates change. If life feels unpredictable right now, please hear this clearly. You are not failing, you are adjusting. And tiny anchors help you rebuild a rhythm you can trust. Choose your 3. Write them down. Repeat them gently. Your days can feel steadier again. One tiny anchor at a time. If this encouraged you today, subscribe to Thrive and share this episode with someone who needs a gentle reminder that stability can begin small. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Bye bye for now.